To pay with Uber Cash on Uber Eats. Start by opening the Uber Eats app on your device. Ensure you have the latest version of the app to avoid any issues with the payment process. First, select the restaurant you want to order from and add your desired items to the cart. Once you have added all the items you want to order, proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you will see the total cost of your order and the available payment options. Look for the Uber Cash option and select it as your payment method. If you do not see Uber Cash as an option, ensure that you have a sufficient Uber Cash balance in your account. If you have not already added Uber Cash to your account, you can do so by going to the payment section of the Uber Eats app. In the payment section, you can add funds to your Uber Cash account using a credit or debit card. Once you have selected Uber Cash as your payment method, review your order to ensure everything is correct. Check the total cost, the items you have ordered, and the delivery address. After reviewing your order, confirm the payment and wait for your order to be processed. You will receive a confirmation message and an estimated delivery time once your order has been successfully placed. It is essential to note that Uber Cash can only be used for orders placed through the Uber Eats app, and cannot be used for orders placed through other platforms. Additionally, ensure that you have a stable internet connection when placing your order to avoid any issues with the payment process. By following these steps, you can easily pay with Uber Cash on Uber Eats and enjoy a seamless and convenient food delivery experience. Remember to always review your order carefully before confirming payment to ensure that everything is correct.